Tell me. Yes, Snowflake is it's a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for what purpose? Mainly for analytical solution. Analytical solution. It is mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay. Tell me, what is the database used for? It is used for OLTP. What is OLTP? Online transaction processing. If you know the answer, you try to say. Okay. So same thing. What is data warehouse? It's a OLAP. What is OLAP? It's an online analytical processing. Okay. Tell me, Snowflake is mainly for OLAP. Okay. Now, what is SaaS here? What is SaaS? We'll say detail. What is SaaS here? Operation for SaaS?
Software for service.
Software as a service. In the sense like what? No need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, so or any infrastructure. Okay, everything will be managed by the service provider. Okay, so okay, Snowflake is a
And pay as you use.
okay, it's a pay as you go. So in the sense like what?
As
If
you
you use for
use.
okay 1 hour, if you use for 1 hour, we should pay for 1 hour only. 1 hour. Okay, so same thing. Now what happened? Tell me, mainly Snowflake is for what? Data migration project. So one more time, what is data migration project? Okay, remember, if you know the answer, try to say. Okay, so that communication get improved. Tell me, what is data migration project? Data migration project.
Migrating data from one source to another source.
So migrating the data from one data source to another data source. Okay, so these are important. Listen a little bit carefully. Okay, see, so data migration is what? Migrate data from one data source to another data source. So what is your data source? Another is a Snowflake. Okay, so what is the data source? What are the data sources we are trying to migrate? In one data sources. Anyone tell me? So it's a Oracle, SQL Server. Anyone? Any idea? Other
MySQL.
database. So MySQL, DB2, then Postgre, Teradata, then Greenplum. So remember, these are the databases. Any of the one database or multiple databases. So we are trying to access Greenplum, then Teradata, then SAP HANA. Okay, sometimes Amazon Redshift data also we are trying to migrate. Then and any other databases, any data sources. Okay, Hadoop. Or else like we'll have the flat files. We'll have the files like CSV files. Okay, see text to files. Okay, see pipe separate value, tab separate value. So these are the files. It can be files, or it can be what? So JSON file format. Okay, Avro, Parquet, ORC, or okay. So these are the files. Okay, see it can be Oracle databases, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2. So out of this, any data sources we are trying to migrate. Okay, tell me what exactly we are trying to migrate. Anyone? What exactly we are trying to migrate? Tell me. So we're having, so phases will be there. Phases will try to migrate. Tables will be try to migrate. And the phase 2, what object will try to migrate? Any idea? So views. In the phase 3,
Proc.
so procedures are functions. Okay, so user defined functions. So procedures and functions. Got the point of see one more time. So in the phase 1, we should migrate tables. So views, so procedures and functions. So see, as a part of Snowflake developer, so we should migrate the data from different sources. It can be tables, so views, so procedures and functions into what? Into Snowflake. Got the point. Ultimately, so as a part of Snowflake developer, see, simple thing. Okay, see this image. Okay, see, go for slideshow. Okay, see what happened. So take any project. Okay, like this one. Okay, see. So we're having different sources. It can be CSV file, so JSON file. So this data, it can be Oracle database. Ultimately, this data we want to put into Snowflake. Okay, see Snowflake. See what happened. So we are creating the multiple pipelines. We'll see this one in Snowflake. Okay, 1 second. So mute yourself. Okay, see what happened. Ultimately, as a part of Snowflake developer, so we should migrate data from different sources and put into Snowflake. Okay, so Snowflake got the pointers. So we are bringing this data and we are putting into Snowflake. These are called a data pipelines. Tell me, okay, how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Important. So this is suppose like I bring the data from different sources and put into Snowflake. Next question is that what? How can I communicate with the Snowflake or with the database or with the data warehouse? Tell me, how can I communicate? By using what?
SQL.
So SQL,
Python.
simple thing. So SQL, simple thing is that go for C. Simple example, I'll try to go for. Okay, see, go back here. Okay, so assume like this is simple thing. So after saying, mute yourself. Okay. So understand the concepts. If Praveen is there, okay, put different. So mute yourself. So Praveen is there and here Kumar is there. Okay, now what happened? Tell me, I want to communicate with this guy. How can I communicate by using what concept? By using a language. What is the language? It can be what? It can be, yes, it can be what? So Telugu, Hindi, English. You got the point. See, I want to communicate with this guy. How can I communicate with the language called? Okay, so it can be anything. Okay, see, Telugu, Hindi. Same thing. Now what happened? Important. Now, so here person is there here. So see what happened. So see simple thing here. So Praveen is there. Put the different sides. Okay, so Praveen is there and here. So database or data warehouse. What happens? See, it can be what? It can be Oracle database, SQL server, or Postgre or Snowflake. Tell me, so this is Praveen, human being, and this is database or database our house. Tell me, how can I communicate with this databases? We should go for what? One language. What is that language? What is the language? So tell me, Telugu, Hindi, it will work. So it will go for what? It will go for SQL. SQL. Got the point? A simple thing. So see, I want to communicate with the database or database. It can be any database, Oracle, SQL server, anything. How can I communicate with the help of a language called? What's that language? It's called as SQL. Got the point? See. So if I want to communicate with the database, it will go for SQL. What is SQL? It's a structured query language. Okay, it's acts as a bridge between user and database or data warehouse. This is simple thing. If I want to communicate, the human beings will make of a language. Same thing from the human beings. I want to communicate database or data warehouse with the help of SQL. Same thing. Suppose if I go for English, what we're having in English, we're having alphabet. Same here. What happened in SQL also we're having what? SQL statements or SQL commands or so SQL languages or so basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, what are the things we are having? So we're having DDL, DML, DRL, so see TCL. Okay, so we'll see the same thing tomorrow also, like understand these things, DQL and DCL. Okay, so simple thing. So SQL statements, SQL commands, SQL language, all are related to called as so DDL, DML, TCL, DRL and DCL. So one more time we'll see. Okay, I'll get some clarity. Tell me what is Snowflake? One more time. It's a what? What is Snowflake? It's a cloud-based
Cloud-based
warehouse. It's mainly for analytical
structured and unstructured data.
Okay, see, analytical solutions mainly for OLAP, that is historical data. So current data as well as historical data. So current data plus historical data we are going to handle here. Okay. Now again, these are what? Okay, see, this is a SaaS. SaaS is nothing but what? So software as a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. So this is fine. Next step is that what? Okay, tell me what is our role? Okay, our job profile we are trying to apply for after completion of these things. Tell me.
Software developer. Software data engineer.
Not software, Snowflake. Okay, see, Snowflake developer. Okay, see, so software, so many things are there, but we are Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer. In a similar fashion, tell me what are the team members. So see, from day one, you should understand what is my role and what are things I do and what are the team members I'm going to work. Tell me what are the team members? Snowflake developer.
Tester, project
So,
manager, scrum master.
Okay, developer it will be like, so 3 to 4 guys.
Tester.
Okay, see. So junior and a senior guys. Okay, so those who want to senior make use of earphones, headphones. Okay, see. So junior and senior guys, same thing. Snowflake admin will be there and the Snowflake architect will be there. Then what we are having? So testing will be in by QA, that is quality assurance. Okay, assurance team. Okay, same thing. Next thing is that what? So requirement, that is BA, that is business analyst. Okay, so developers, admin, architect, quality assurance. So testing team is called as testing team. So this is business, that is requirement gathering. Okay, so these are the basic things. If you remember, if you want to get into IT job, these are the things you should know. Okay, so see what is STLC. These are called testing team. So business analyst, TL, that is team lead. Okay, so team lead, then so PM, that is project manager. These terms you should be aware of. Okay, see, so okay, same thing, scrum master. Okay, then the client will be there. Client are stakeholders. Okay, so these terms little bit, okay, it will be sometime, but we should understand this thing. Okay, so stakeholders. Okay, go to the pointer. So developer, admin, architect, quality assurance team, that is testing team, business analyst, team lead, project manager, scrum master, client are stakeholders. Tell me what the projects will have. Will have which projects will have? So US based project, UK based project, okay, European projects, okay, or Singapore project. Like, okay, so there's so many projects. Okay, so these are the things you should remember while handling this project discussion. Anything. Okay, so US based project, UK based project, or sometimes Indian projects also will be there for the quantum. So see, ultimately, what the purpose of Snowflake say? Data migration project. Important, tell me. So remember, if you work for any project, so we should move from data from one data source to Snowflake. It can be so Oracle or anything. So same thing. Now what we're trying to migrate? We're trying to migrate tables, so views, so procedures and functions according to Snowflake standards. Got the point? So these are the basic things you should aware. So by this week, you'll get some clarity what exactly these things will be there. Okay, so this is, tell me, how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Anyone, how can I communicate the Snowflake? We should make of what concept? Tell me.
No.
We should make of SQL. Okay, so SQL. So SQL is divided into SQL is but it's a bridge between user and Snowflake or database or data warehouse. Simply say it's a bridge between user and Snowflake. Okay, how can I communicate with the help of SQL statements or SQL commands? Okay, see, commands. Okay, or SQL languages. Okay, same thing. Or what happens? See, basic building blocks of SQL. Got the point? See, statements, commands, language or basic building blocks. Again, this is divided into what? So this is divided into DDL, DML, so DCL, DRL, DQL, and DCL. See, remember, if you know this thing, that's what called as basic building blocks of SQL. See, without this, we can't able to process. If you know this one, almost 30% of SQL will be completed. Got the point? See, these are very, very important. Okay. So mute yourself. Okay, see, so DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. So these are called as basic building blocks of SQL. See what are they going to? So data definition, language. Okay, so language. Okay. So what about this DML? DML data. Anyone? Data what?
Manipulation language.
So manipulation language. Okay, same thing. Now what happened? What is TCL? It's a transaction control language. Okay, what about DRL or DK? It's a data. Tell me retrieval. So retrieving or query language. What is TCL? It's a data control language. Okay, see, data definition, manipulation, transaction control, retrieval or control query language, or it's a data control language. See one more time, these are very, without this we can't able to proceed in SQL or in Snowflake. You see, so why you want SQL? Because I want to communicate with this SQL. See what happened. Now we'll see step by step. So see, this will take 2 to 3 days to complete all these topics. So we'll go for DL. That is what are the commands we're having DDL? Any idea, anyone?
Create, drop, alter.
Okay, so we'll go for, so see, create. In Snowflake we're having create, alter and drop. So these 3 commands. Okay, create, alter and drop. We'll see one by one. So see, we'll scroll. Okay, see, it will take 2 to 3 days. So don't worry. Okay, so it will take. Okay, see, what is create? It is used to create new database objects in the database. Tell me what database objects will have? Will have tables. Anyone? So views, sequences, then so procedures, functions. Okay, these are the database object. So create is nothing but what? It is used to create a new database object. It can be tables, it can be views, sequences, procedures, functions, all these things we are trying to. So these are the database objects. It can be same. So there are so many things. As of now, we'll discuss step by step. Now what happened? I want to create one table. Okay, simple table. So create tables, table name. See, table name. Okay, see, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. So column 1 data type. The same thing, column 2 data type 2. Okay, see what? Well, see, step by step, don't worry. Okay, so data type. Same thing, how many columns we can able to mention? So those many columns. Okay, see, no issues. Okay, see, bracket open, bracket close, column 1 data type, column 2 data type 2, column 3 data. This is a bracket, so and semicolon. Okay, now what happened? Now simple thing before that, what is data type here? Anyone? What exactly it means? Data type. Tell me what is data type? Data type.
What kind of it?
So
That
which
is
type?
int, char, yeah, int, char and all that.
Okay,
Int,
see,
char,
yeah. Okay, so which type of data
integer,
we are trying to store in the particular table column? See one more time. See now what happens. See which type of data we are trying to store in this particular column. It's a number or it's a string or alphabets. Okay, see which type of data we are trying to store in this particular column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, what the point? Now see the same thing. Now simple example. I'll try to give you time. So see, water is there. Tell me water where you can store. You can store in the bottle or can. Same thing where we can store milk. Milk can be stored in bottle. Okay, bottle or can. Tell me, can X be stored in milk, bottle or can? Just tell me. No, it can be stored in what? It can be stored in X tray. Same concept. Now what happened? Same thing. Now question is that what? So see in. So I want to store numbers only. Number related thing. What are number related thing? Tell me. Number related means. Okay, see like okay, see phone number. Okay, or employee ID or salary. These are what? These are number related thing. We should go for what data type? We can go for number data type, number or float or int, anything. There are so many things are there. We'll discuss later point of time. See as of now. So see number related. Same thing. We'll go for city. Okay, see what happened. So city. Then okay, 1 second. City. Next name, address. Okay, or mail. It's a combination of alphabets, alphanumeric, and special character. The way you can store, we can store in either varchar, char, varchar2, okay, text, okay, or okay, see text or string, anything we can store. We'll see the same thing as of now. What? So number related we should go for number, float in. Same thing. Alphabets, number should go for alphabet, varchar, char, varchar, text and strings. They same thing. So date of birth, date of joining, date of registration, date of resignation. This letter to go for. So date, date time, then timestamp. So see, there are so many things are the same thing. Okay, timestamp. Same thing. I want to go for true or false. So true or false. Where you can store this true or false?
Boolean.
So Boolean data type. Same thing we're having. Okay, see. So JSON, XML, okay, Avro. This thing we'll see in Snowflake. It's stored in variant data type. We'll see the same things. Snowflake also. As of now, Number letter, we should go for number. So alphabets, we should go for varchar. Date, we should go for date time. Same thing, true or false, boolean. Same will go for, so semi-structured data will go for, so variant, data type. So clear so far? Yes, I'm getting the points, sir, like this way. We'll see the same thing step. So which type of data we are trying to store in the particular column? Same thing, go back here. Okay, now, so try to create one table. So create, so table employee details underscore T. Tell me what is underscore T? It's a table standard, it's a naming standard, it's a table is there. So bracket open, bracket close. Tell me employee is what data type? Employee, it's a what data type?
Number.
Number or int. Same thing. Employee name is what data type? Employee name.
Char or char.
So varchar or char anything. Okay, see varchar or char. Same thing. Go for city. City is what data type? It's also varchar. Suppose I'm putting something like 30. Okay, we'll see the same thing detailing. So 30 is there. Okay, 1 second. So mute yourself. Okay, see same thing. Put comma. Next step is that what? Okay, see salary is what data type? Salary. It's a number data type. Tell me email is what data type? Email.
Varchar.
So date of birth.
Number.
Date. Okay, see what happened? Tell me, is it good looking? So this code is looking. So always, so write in Notepad++, change the language from C. Language is there. So go for S and SQL, so that the keywords will get highlighted. One more time, see language, yes, and SQL. It's a Notepad++ tool. Tell me, it's good looking our code. So see, it is not. So always follow the coding standards. So okay, these are the coding standards we should follow. So this is, if you work for any MNC, they'll check each and every line of this code. Okay, see. So like this. So follow like this. Okay, it will take some time, but it's a good look. It's a good practice. Okay, the same thing. Okay, see. Now we should get all the things in one line. Same thing. So this is the big value. Okay, see where. Okay. So it's the coding standards we should put. Okay, see. Bracket open, bracket, see. Bracket open, bracket close. If I put extra bracket, what happened? We can able to get easily error. So that's why mix of language, yes and SQL, and put the semicolon. Got the point? So now tell me, I write a create statement here. This is create statement. This is DDL. So this is DDL. Tell me if I write here, what will happen? A table will get created automatically. N1. So I have created one. I have created the detail script. Now question is that what if I write here, what happened? Table will get automatically created.
No, it will not be created. It will not
So
be
this-
created. It will show
so-
error.
Why error? No, this is what, this is a writing tool. Remember, this is for only writing tool. Okay, so this is not an ID. No, it's not an ID. Okay, now what happened? Now what I said, so for this we should have one Snowflake account. Okay, so tell me, Snowflake account, do we need to install anything? Install anything?
No, it's
Anything?
Install anything.
It's a what? It's a SaaS model. SaaS, but what?
SaaS model.
No need to. Okay, no need to install any software or any hardware. Got the point? See, you don't need to install anything. Now what happened? So now first we should create one Snowflake account. See, go back here, search for Snowflake login. Okay, so this is the thing. So Snowflake login. So click on the, see, first thing. So login Snowflake web user. So it's an user interface. Okay, click on this value. So see, start for free. So see, so give name, we give a name. So Praveen Snowflake. Okay, see the same thing. Not mail we can able to give or personal mail. Okay, up with the value. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? So see, click on this value. We can able to give any name ABC. Now tell me, what is our role? What is our role? Now what is our role? It says Snowflake developer
Developer or engineer, data engineer.
Data engineer. So click on these values. So click for continue. So see, it can be anything. Okay, standard. So we will go for enterprise account. Before that, tell me, Snowflake supports multi cloud. Okay, so it can be what? It can be AWS, Azure, and this. We'll see the same thing. What exactly? So click on this AWS or anything. So see, these are the data centers. Okay, see, if you are working for US project, okay, your project will be US East, US West. Okay, this is the difference. So if you're suppose like your client is in Ireland, okay, you should select this value. Okay, so these things. So suppose like my project is there in Virginia. Okay, I'll click on this value. So get started. So before that, tell me this account creation will be done by developer in real time. Which guy will do all this account creation, the user roles, all these things? Which guy?
Admin.
Admin. Which admin?
Snowflake admin.
Snowflake admin. Remember, so see important. Okay, see. So roles. Okay, account creation. Okay, see. So user IDs and the passwords. So the roles all be done by what? Which guy? Snowflake admin guy. Okay, admin guy. Okay, so we are developers. Okay, so this is important. So it says Snowflake admin. So click on this value. So see, we'll get one mail. Okay, see, we'll get one mail. Okay, see, go back here. See, we're getting this activator. So click on this value. Okay, see. So see, click to activate. Got a point.
Can we
Simple.
use the same email again and again to create the account?
Yeah, no issues. We
to
can able to
start
create.
with
Okay. We can
Okay.
get. Okay. And one more thing is that what see here. Okay, see, start your 30-day free trial. Okay, see, which includes $400. So see what happened. So see, 30 days will be free. Or else if you consume 400 credits, no, it will get automatically so disable. Okay, automatically ask for credit card. Okay, then we should create one more account and we can able with the same mail we can able to give. No worries. No, we should give one name. So Praveen SF.
Praveen, sorry to interrupt. So will we have the previous executed queries? Like suppose you have executed few queries earlier and the account got expired. Okay, so right now you're creating a new account with the same email ID.
No, it will get expired. No, it won't be possible.
Okay.
So that's why when you're writing anything, no, make it sure like Notepad++, save this data in your local machine. Okay, then we can able to copy paste it. Okay. So remember in real time also, we should write everything in the Notepad++, create a copy. This code, working code, we should deploy in the GitHub or Bitbucket. One more time. So see, one more time. So in real time projects, okay, see, okay, what happened? We should always write in the Notepad++. Okay, then, so try to execute the query in the UI. Then what happened? The working code. Okay, we should put a copy. Okay, got the point. This is in your local machine. Same code we can able to deploy in the different environments. Okay, see, best practice that when now writing anything. So see what happened. So see, save the same thing. Go back here. So go for March. So this is evening batch. Okay, see what happened. So save the same thing. We'll go for SQL. Okay, so DDL. We'll see DDL state. So see, best practice that always write. So like this way. Okay, what we're trying to work. Okay, so this is like this. Now what happened? See, go back here. So try to give. Okay. So remember from starting day one, you should put effort to learn. Okay, so okay, see, control minus. Okay, we can go for skip for now. Now what happened? This is the snow. Remember? So one more time. So Snowflake can be logged in. So 3 ways. What are the 3 ways? One is classic console, snow site, other is the snow SQL. So this is classic. It says UI. What is UI? It's a user
interface.
Okay, so remember for now 2 days it will be difficult, but okay, going forward you can able. So classic console, it's an UI. Same thing, snow site is also UI. Snow site is a CLI, that is command line interface. Go to the pointer, see one more time. So classic console, snow site, snow SQL. Tell me this is what this is, which UI this is snow site UI. So snow site, I'll try to see one more time. Okay, go back here. Okay, see what happened. So see, in real-time production, what happened? We'll get, okay, see, we'll have this classic console option is there. Okay, we can able to navigate. But in free trial, now what happened? They disabled. So this is so disabled in free trial. Okay, got the point. So see, right now we're working only this is snow site UI. Okay, you should be understand what in which UI see this is snow site UI. So in real time we'll have classic console also will be there. Okay, so this is classic. We can, if we click now, we can navigate to classic console. But in free trial, so this is not there. Okay, so for getting the point, so this is snow site UI. See, click on this plus symbol. So see, plus symbol. SQL worksheet. Okay, see SQL worksheet. Okay, go back here. Now what happened? Now try to take the same thing. Now what happened? So step by step we should understand. Don't be in a hurry, but we're having 1.5 months is there. Okay, see. Now try to execute. See, we can able to make use of this symbol, or we have the shortcut is that what? So control plus enter is the shortcut key. Okay, because now we can't able to go this much time. So simple I'll put here. So anywhere make use of control enter. Now see what saying. So simple thing. Tell me anyone cannot perform create table. So this is one session. This session doesn't have a current database. What exactly is tell me? If you want to create any database, compulsory what should have? We should have one database should be there. Remember one thing. So if we want to create any database object, compulsory should have one database should be there. Syntax that word. So create or replace database name. Okay, got the point of this syntax. So before that, tell me, remember in real time we'll have multiple databases or instances or environments. Okay, so anyone knows what the environments will have? So dev is not but it's a development database. Anyone never think? Anything? So remember one more time. So from the starting day one, you should understand. You should be as a Snowflake developer. You should understand. Okay, what is database? What is development database? Okay, so what is my role? Okay, what are the team members we are trying to work? Okay, see one more time. So development database, then testing database. Okay, then same thing. So UAT, that is user acceptance testing. Okay, then so what is SIT? System integration testing. So these are simple things, just don't worry. Okay, so these are the databases will be there. Same thing we're having pre-prod is so pre-production database. Then prod is nothing but say production database. Simple thing, if you're not able to simply have development. So test and prod. Okay, got the point of same one more time. So development database, testing database, and production. See, in development we'll have complete that is read and write access will be there. Okay, so you got the point. A simple thing, don't worry. Okay, see, development database, testing purpose, it's a live data. One more time. So we'll have so developer will work mostly on these databases. We'll have read access, So we'll have complete read and write access. Okay, now what happened? Try to create one development database. Tell me syntax. So create database. Suppose like it's a development database. See, create database. Control enter. Same thing. Create schema development schema. So see, database name. So database name, schema name. So same thing. Select current database. Bracket open. Same thing. Current schema. Okay, see, schema. So these are the basic things you should know. So the database name is what? So development database, development schema, and what is my name? It's a current user. So bracket open, bracket close. See. So development database, development schema. So Praveen SF. Got the pointer. Now what happened? Now make use of control enter. See what happened? So table has been created. So refresh the same thing. Okay, my database name. So my schema. And see table is there. Okay, in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. How can I see? Go for show tables. Okay, these are the basic things. One more time, create. Suppose if you're not able to name, go back to. So see one more session. I'm trying to open. So you're putting so day 1. Okay, now what happened? I want to create one database table. Now what happened? See, copy the same value. Now try to exit. See what happened? Control enter I'm using. So it is not working because see cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a database. Now first step is that what? So create database. So it's a development database. So see now what happened? So execute the same thing. Now try to create one schema. So schema is nothing but it's a logical representation. So schema. So development. Link expiring, try to run the same link. Okay, same link will try work. Okay, see schema. Now what happened? By using selective current database. Same thing, current schema. Okay, see, current underscore schema. Okay, same thing, try to change. Same thing, current user. So bracket open, bracket close. See what happened. So getting, so database name, schema name, and this thing. Tell me in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of table. Go for show tables, show tables. So no table. Now what happened? Microsoft control enter. See what happened? A entry will be there here. So refresh the same thing. Click at that new database, new schema, and the tables is there. Got the point? Little bit. Okay, these are the things you should follow. Okay, database, schema, and the table should be created in the development database. Okay, copy the same thing. It's a simple thing only, don't be okay, don't get afraid or something. It's a simple thing. So understand the concept is that what first we should create one Snowflake account. Tell me Snowflake account, do you require any software? Tell me one more time. So Snowflake account is a SaaS model. SaaS model. Okay. Again, this can be logged in by what? By using Snowsite, Classic Console. One more thing is that what? Classic Console and so Classic Console, then
NoSQL.
SQL or SQL. Okay, so first two are what? These are the UI, user interface. So user, same thing, go for it's a UI, user interface. What is CLI? It's a NoSQL, it's a CLI, command line interface. Okay, see now what happened in the free trial. So what in the free trial, what are you having? So in the free trial, okay, we're having this thing Snowset. Okay, see in the classic it's there in so paid version, that is in production we're having the same thing. So paid version. Okay, same thing. Now what happens? So SnowSQL CLI and Snowflake supports multi-cloud, that is AWS, Azure, and GCP. Okay, got the point. Now what happened? How to communicate with the Snowflake? With the help of SQL. Okay, structured query language. Okay, got the point. Structured query language. So these are divided into SQL, that is languages or commands or statements or basic building blocks of SQL. So for discussing detail, that is data definition language. Tell me what definition level you're having. So create, alter, and drop. What is create will do? It is used to create new database object in the database. So syntax for this word create, table name. So bracket open, bracket close, column 1, data type. Okay, same thing, column 2, data type 2. Same thing, column 3, data type 3. Okay, see, this is what next step is that what? So data type is nothing but which type of data we are trying to say. It's a number value or string value or date value or boolean value. Okay, so this thing can be what by using what? So see, simple thing. So number data type, so string or varchar, text, boolean, and a date. So there are some things are there, as you know, understand the same thing. Now what happened? Now try to now what happens? You go back here. Now try to simple thing. So see, simple use case. I'm trying to go back. Okay. Take an example. The same thing will be there. So I'm going for CoWIN application, simple thing. So try to give the number. So mute yourself. This is not saying. Okay. So simple use case. Now see what happened. I want to create add member. Okay. Now what happened? See, I'm giving basic details. Okay. See, Praveen, male. So year of birth, the same thing. So photo ID proof, Aadhaar card, and Aadhaar number. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me. Now when I click on this, what happened? Tell me. When I click on this add, what will happen normally? Any idea? Normal idea? Anyone?
It will throw an error. It will throw an error.
Okay. Forget about this error. What will happen normally?
The user will get added. It will get registered.
Save the data in database.
Okay, see what happens. So this data will be stored in database in the form of what? In the form of tables. Tables are divided into
Table.
columns and rows. Okay, see one more time. See first we should have one Snowflake account should be there. Then what happened? We are logging with the help of Snowsite. Before that's a SaaS model. SaaS, no need to install any software or any hardware. Snowflake account, Snowsite UI, user interface. Next step is that what? We should have one database. Which database? Development database. And same thing, development schema should be there. Then we should go for tables. Tables are given to columns and rows. Okay, see, like this way you should understand. Okay, see, first SAS because Snowflake account. So Snowside we are creating development database, development schema, tables again to columns and rows. Now what happened? Tell me. Suppose this is Covin. Okay, now what happened? So create database. So Covin development database. Same thing. Database. Same thing. Try to create one schema. Create schema. Okay, so Covin development schema. Now, okay, say the same thing, copy the same value. Now what happened? This is which way? This is what way? Snowside way. Snowside way. See, so click on this home button. Okay, see, now click on this plus value SQL worksheet. Okay, so first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay, now put this one. So day one or Covin dev. This is one. Okay, one SQL. This is what? Okay, see. Click on this thing. So it's a SQL worksheet, or you can say it's a session. See, this is one session or one SQL. See what happened. Now what happened? If you want to create any object, first we should have one database, one schema should be there. Tell me. So by using select statement, select a current database. Okay, same thing. Current schema. Okay, so database name, schema name is there. Now what happened? What is my username? Same thing. Current user. Tell me in real time there will be one user, there will be multiple users will be there. Multiple database, development schema. So same thing in this database, in this schema, I want to get list of tables. Tell me how to get list of tables. Go for what? Show tables. Show tables. See, as of now, there is no. Now what happened? So try to create this. See, now database is there. Okay, so go back here. Now database is there, schema. Now tell me. So for this one, I want to store one table. Tell me what's the table name I can give. What's the table name?
Registration table.
Okay, which registration? So Covin vaccination registration. See, go back here. So create table. So Covin vaccine registration underscore T. What is underscore T or underscore TBL?
Well, table.
It's a table or table. Okay, see, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see what happened. Tell me. So this is what data type? Name is a column name. What data type? It's a
Varchar2.
It's a var. So varchar2, same thing, varchar. I'm putting something like 30. What is 30 here? It's a data size or data length or column length. Okay, see name. Okay, see, go back here. Now see. Now gender is what data type? Gender is gender is what data type? It's a what? It's a what data type? Varchar only. Varchar only. I'm putting 30 for all the things. Okay, varchar. Same thing, go back here. Year of birth is what data type?
Number.
Number of data?
Date.
Okay, year of birth. I'm putting. See, so this is number or date? Suppose like 2000. This is, so I'm putting 2012. So this, what about these things? What about this value? So year of birth is a number. Okay, so you got it's a number. Okay, so year, date of birth is what? It's a month. Date, month, it's a date. Okay, got the point. So date of birth is a date. So date. Same thing, go back here. So photo ID proof. Suppose like I'm selecting photo ID. So one or two use case, if I know, it will be simple. Photo ID. So proof, it's a what? It's a varchar only, varchar of 30. Okay. Tell me this is, I'm giving like this. This is what data type? Tell me it's a photo ID value.
Number.
It's a number. Okay, see, photo ID value. It's a number data type. But what happens is, suppose like, okay, I'm selecting passport. So passport is a combination of number and alphabet. Then varchar. So we should go for varchar only, because no number only support only number. Okay, see, simple thing. So go back here 30. So bracket, see, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see, this is closing here. Also language yes to SQL. Okay, always follow, see, coding standards. Okay, see, same thing. So go back here. So same thing. Okay, so this is the thing. Now copy the same thing. Now where you should execute in the Snowside UI. Okay, in which instance? In the development database only. So go back here. So see, So try to execute. It will throw error. Anybody tell me what's error? See, it is showing off is the issue. Anybody? Because so we can't able to use the spaces. If you want to use the spaces, you know what happened? We should make so double quotes, or so. Okay, best practice at what? So see, no spaces should be there. Okay, it should not be like makes of underscore. Got the point? This is the best practice should put. So underscore we should put. Clear so far? Yes or no? See, okay. So if we should not put like this, it will throw. See what happened? It's throwing control Y. It is throwing error because see issue set off. Okay, we can able to use double quotes, but what happened every time should the double quotes. Best practice that what make use of underscore. So each word underscore should be there. So see bracket open bracket. So make use of control enter is the shortcut. Okay, see what happened? Clear so far? So this is fine. Okay, get to the point. So a little bit at least like this way you should understand. So table successfully created. Now what happened? Show tables. It will give list of tables. Now how to see this data element? By using which statement? By using select statement. Select star from table name. Okay, see. So table. It will projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, now what is DRL? DRL. What is DRL? Or DQL? It's a data retrieval or data query language. What is the command we should use? Go for? We should go for select statement, or select command. Okay, see, so far create is a DDL statement. So select this is data retrieval or data query language. That is select statement. Got the point? So now what happened? I want to see list of columns. Okay, how can I see list of columns? It's a describe table name. Okay, see describe table. See, it will give the list of columns and data types. Okay, so table name and column names and data types. So show tables give list of tables. So describe table tell you the list of columns in the particular table. Same thing I want to get see the definition, that is select get underscore DDL bracket open bracket close, should put the table comma table name. So these are the basic things. 1 or 2 days it will be simple. So table name. So copy the same thing and put this value. Okay, see table name. So if you want to see list of tables, go for show tables. So same thing, describe table give the list of columns. So it will give the definition of the particular table. These are the basic, but these are very, very important things. Got the point? So see get DDL, it will give the definition, create or replace. So see one more time. So we'll go one more use case. We'll go for one more use case. Suppose a simple thing, Snowflake login. Now what happened? Suppose like assume like this is Snowflake. Okay, Snowflake's database. Now what happened? Try to create one database. So create database Snowflake development database. Same thing. So what? Same thing. Try to create schema. So create schema. So Snowflake development. Yes, save semicolon. Best practice. Now what happened? I am giving this detail. So Praveen. Okay. Now what happened? Now try to create one table. So create table. What is the table? So okay. So registration Snowflake registration T. Okay. Bracket open bracket close. Now tell me this is what first name is what data type? What data type? Tell me, can you have the spaces? We should make of underscore.
No.
It's a varchar. I'm giving for size of 30. So same thing, bracket open, bracket close. So first name, next is the last name. Last name is what data type?
Varchar.
It's also varchar. So varchar of 30. Same thing, go back here. No, for company email. What is company email? Email. It's also alphabets. Numbers will go for varchar only. Same thing, varchar is there. Next step is that what? So name, company name. Okay, it's also varchar of, so I'm giving 30 or something size. Okay, size. Okay, so this is fine. Next step is that what? Role. So all are varchar only. So role. It's also varchar. Okay, same thing. No varchar is there. Next step is that what? So country. Country is also alphabets. Varchar only. Tell me, is it good looking? Always we say we should follow the coding standards. Okay, see coding standards. Okay, same thing. Company. Okay, so now what happened? So follow the coding standards. Okay, so this is the alignment we should follow. Okay, see. Okay, all things we should put in one thing. Okay, see one case. Okay, like this you should understand. Create multiple tables. Okay, comfortable with this thing. That's it. Okay, so go back here. See bracket open, bracket close. Okay, now what happened? We should have one database, one schema. So same thing. Copy the same thing. See. So go here. Okay, see, go back to the home. So this is the home. Now what happened? So go to the plus symbol. So go for SQL worksheet. Okay, now what happened? If you want to create any objects, compulsory have one database, one schema should be there. Now try to create the table. Okay, see table. Now what's the issue? Issue that spelling mistake. Okay, so spelling mistake. Now what happened? Show tables will give list of tables. Okay, now what happened? Now in which database? Go for select current database. Okay, same thing. Current schema. Same thing. What is my name? Current user. What the pointer? See what happened? Show tables. Same thing. How to see this data by using select statement. Select star from our table name. Got the pointer? Like this way. First, you should be comfortable with this UI. So create multiple tables, multiple databases, multiple schemas. Okay. Let this be comfortable with this UI. Then only can able to get all these things. Got the pointer? Yes or no? Like first week like will be a little bit slow because now we should have understand this. Okay, see, suppose like I want to get this database. So click on this thing. See set worksheet context. Suppose like I want set worksheet context, or else like you can go for so drop down DevDB, dev schema. So go for show tables or go for current database, current schema, or see this tab. Okay, see show tables will give list of tables. Now what happened? Take the same table name, try to see this data. Okay, so first you should be comfortable with this UI. So take multiple sessions. Okay, give name day 1, day 2 like this. Okay, so we can able to click on this database. So see multiple tables will be there here. Yes, somebody saying? Same thing, Endorson. So ultimately what you should be remember in real time will work in this UI or in this console. Okay, mostly work on the Snowflake UI only. Okay, so see, so you should navigate. Okay, click on this value, set worksheet context. Okay, or else drop down. Okay, so first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay, so click on this thing. So go for worksheets, click on worksheets. We can go for this worksheet. Got the pointer? End notes as no anyone?